What's up everybody, Sean here and thank you for joining me. Now today we will be doing an unboxing and initial impressions of the all new Feynman V. Now obviously this has already been unboxed by me, but that is because I am reviewing this unit and the full review will be coming very soon. But Feynman Timekeepers have been kind enough to send me all three color variations of this new watch. So that's what we will be unboxing today. Okay, and here we have the new Feynman V in their classic green box, signature of Feynman Timekeepers. It's a pretty compact and small box. And let's just open it up to have a look. Now the first thing we see is the warranty card with the specs on it. Water resistance 50 meters. It's an ETA 7001. Now this is a manual winding non-automatic watch, and on the back we have a signed QC inspected by YK himself, the founder of Feynman Timekeepers. Now this one states that there is a deviation of -3 seconds per day, no beat error, and an amplitude of 289 degrees. I will neither confirm nor deny I actually understand what that means, so we'll leave that there. So this watch comes in a very nice little leather pouch included. It's wrapped up nicely. I'll just put the box over here. This is a nice leather travel pouch, and I believe this is made by E-Leather, Shui. We have a nice Feynman Timekeepers embossing here, and it is a 2-button travel pouch. There is even a little Feynman Timekeepers polishing cloth here, very nice. Now I've decided to open up the Founders Edition green version for you. On my wrist here I have the midnight blue, but because this is a signature, I decided to open up the Founders Edition green dial for you. Now let us take a closer look. Yes, nice little pillow here, very comfy. I believe Feynman also sells these pouches in different colors, so go check them out if you're interested. And there it is, the Feynman V in a Founders Edition. I'm not going to take up too much of this because it's very nicely wrapped up and I want to return it in good condition. But this is basically their first steel bracelet watch that they have produced. All previous iterations of their watches have only come in a leather strap or a rubber strap. Now as you can see here, this is a very thin watch. That is mainly because it is a self-hand winding watch. It's not an automatic, so there's no rotor that brings the weight down, as well as the thickness. And this Founders Edition is particularly special because it does not have your usual Arabic numerals, as you can see, compared to the other colors, as you'll see later on when I show you the silver dial version. So here we see that this new bracelet is actually a butterfly clasp with the Feynman logo etched onto the clasp, and I'll show you here. This is the butterfly clasp, very nicely done, although you do have to put it on the correct side one at a time because it folds over and you can only do it in one direction. But otherwise, it's pretty comfortable and very light on the hand. Now let's take a look at the other one before we close up this review. This is the silver dial version. As you can see, it is signed by YK himself again. And here we have, I hope YK is not gonna kill me for how I'm unboxing this. There we have it. Here is the silver dial version. I hope that the video does it justice. Yes, I think I'm catching the light here very nicely. As you can see, this is a silver dial, and then we have the midnight blue dial here. I am still trying to see. It's a very, very subtle hint of blue that is very hard to notice unless you're in absolutely the correct lighting. And now here we have the green dial. And those are the three new Feynman V in all three colors. So let me know what you think of this new Feynman V down below in the comments, which colors you like and what you think about it. And stay tuned for the full review. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one.